Trelawny police lists the parish's 4 most wanted men.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Detectives assigned to the Trelawny Police Division have listed 4 men as wanted and are urging them to turn themselves into the police by Monday, May 6th. They are Lascelles Wright, otherwise called Baya or Stella, of Tyre District in Trelawny. He is wanted for the murder of Jason Sinclair, committed on Tuesday, January 22nd, 2019 in Tyre District. Ryan Russell of Felicity Road in Montego Bay, St. James. He is wanted for the murder of Albert Mowat, committed on Wednesday, March 20, 2019 on Market Street in Trelawny. Renard Gale, otherwise called CJ of Hague in Trelawny. He is wanted for 3 counts of wounding with intent, committed on Sunday, April 28, 2019, about 4:10 p.m. in Martabray, Trelawny. Nickel Pinnock of West Road, Kingston 12, is wanted for the murder of Owen Green, committed on Thursday, March 28, 2019, in Kinloss District, Clarkstown in Trelawny. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of these men is being asked to contact the Falmouth Police at 876-954-3271, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. Meanwhile, members of the public are being reminded that it is an offense to harbor criminal elements.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.